The problem here is that when displaying a chord containing a flat symbol, the whole chord appears to jump down, increasing the vertical height of the enclosing div and appearing at the bottom. This shifting down effect only happens with flat symbols, while other chords, with a sharp or without, appear as expected. Now, diving into the solution provided, we start by focusing on the CSS code snippet shared. The key aspect here is to avoid using the float left property, as it can lead to misalignments, especially in cases like this. Instead, it's advised to work with inline elements, flexbox, or grid layouts for a more stable and predictable layout. Moving on to the HTML snippet provided, it showcases the recommended approach using mark elements within section tags. Keeping the structure clean with block elements and avoiding float declarations helps in achieving a more consistent display without misalignments, especially when dealing with special characters like musical symbols. To sum it up, by steering clear of float left and opting for inline elements or modern layout techniques like flexbox and grid, you can prevent misalignments and ensure a stable rendering of chords, including those with flat symbols. And there you have it. Give this solution a try in your code to tackle the shifting down issue with music chords. Well, that wraps up our discussion on resolving the misalignment in displaying music chords. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Keep on jamming with those chords, and until next time, happy coding!